All right, here we go. Practice problems for the similar polygon section. I'm going to run through a bunch of examples, kind of two of each type that you might see on your IXL assignment. So first ones, looks like the problem asks about similarity ratio. If you see that word, it's the same word as, or it has the same meaning as scale factor. So what you're going to do is you have to identify which shape is first, which is RSTU, and then you're going to pick one side on RSTU that corresponds to one side on the other rectangle. So I will use the 1, so I'll say 1, 2, that's my dots, 1, 2, 2. If I wanted to write it as a fraction, I could go 1 over 2. Boom. That is my similarity ratio, also known as the scale factor. Second one, these guys are similar, and it wants UVW, which is this triangle, and GFH, which is that triangle. I'm going to match the sides that are in corresponding spots. And I'm going to go 4, 2, 1. Or, as a fraction, 4 over 1, which would just be 4. Okay. Because it's a ratio, they might want you to write it as a fraction. I don't know how IXL wants you to do that, though. I'd try 4 first, because IXL likes you to reuse everything. And it says simplify them. Second type of IXL problems you're going to see are complete the similarity statements. Well, when you complete a similarity statement, you're going to need to match the route or the map. So on the first guy here, it says HIJ, follow the route. HIJ. What's happening? HIJ. So we go 76, 76, 28. 76, 76, 28. Cool. Now this is an isosceles triangle. Technically it looks like we could have gone the other way also. 76, 76, 28. And that would have taken us the same route as the other guy. So we'll go BAC. Next one. These guys are similar. TUVW. TUVW. So follow the same route. So we're going angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2. The 4s are the same, 16s are the same. Oh, we got an isosceles trapezoid. So angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2. BEDC. So that would be my statement. And then write a similarity ratio of the first polygon to the second polygon. So first polygon to the second. First, I'll just pick the bottom. 6 between angle 2s. Angle 2 is 24. 6, 2, 24. We can write 6 to 24 as a fraction. 6 over 24. And we can reduce that to 1/4. Boom! There we go. Next problems, you're going to be analyzing, are these shapes similar or not? Similar shapes need same angles and proportional sides. Okay? So the first guy, we can see, hey look, all the angles are the same. We go angle 2, angle 1, angle 2, angle 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So the angles we get to check. Now you're just going to pick a couple corresponding sides. Maybe those guys. Well, hold on a second. That guy and that guy would be it. And you can go like 35 over 31 equals 35 over 31. What am I doing? I'm matching these guys and these guys. Clearly these are the same fraction, so yes, they are similar. Because these are proportional. Proportional means equal ratios or equal fractions. Next one of these shapes similar. Well, let's check the angles. Angle 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 2. Angle 3, angle 4, no. How do we know? Well, these angles are 1s and 2s. These angles are 3s and 4s. Doesn't work. Angles must be the same. Okay? That's, remember, step 1 of how to figure out if something's proportional or not. This one here says ABC is similar to YWX, and we're finding AB. Well, I'll put an X in that spot. So AB is in the same spot as YW. So we're going to make a proportion here. We're going to go X over 21 equals, now we have to find another match. How about BC, which is second, and WX, which is second. So I did left over right equals left over right. Well, this problem I think is a slam dunker because we know this has to be a 3, doesn't it? Because for something over 21 to equal 3 over 21, the tops would need to be equal. If you didn't know that, though, technically what you do, if you want to do the algebra, you times both sides by 21 and times this side by 21. In this particular case, these guys would cancel, and you've got your answer right there. Next problems, looks like we're looking for angles. It says DEF is similar to ZYX. What is the measure of angle Y and E? We can figure out the measure of angle Y 2 ways. One, because it's a triangle, we can add these guys together, subtract from 180 to get our leftover. Or we can use the similarity statement and say, hey look, Y is at the end, so is F. What does that mean? That means these guys have to be the same measure. Okay. E is second. What's second? X. So that means E and X are also going to be congruent. Next ones. In the diagram below, you've got these two similar triangles. Well, we need to find J. So what we're going to do is match up corresponding spots. I'm going to go small triangle over big triangle. So this is my small, this is my big. And I match up the sides. So I go 4 over 8 equals J over 10. Okay, again, small over big equals small over big, and I'm matching up the corresponding parts. From here, you can cross multiply solve. 8 times J equals 4 times 10, oh, that's 40. And then I can just divide both sides by 8. We've got J equals 5. Boom. 5 feet. And this one down here, match the sides. I'm going to again do small triangle over big triangle. And I'm going to go maybe 10 over 15 equals 6 over J. And from here, cross multiply and solve. Boom. So, there's our examples for similar polygons. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any more questions. Have a good day.